Hello and welcome to this introduction video about Prover Studio. First, I'm going to show you how to install Prover Studio. So here I'm assuming you don't have VS Code installed, so I'm going to download VS Code from the official website. Here I'm showing the procedure for Windows, but we also have a Linux version available for Prover Studio. So I have downloaded the installer and I'm going to install Visual Studio Code. Now Visual Studio Code is installed. I'm launching it and I now have to download Prover Studio. So I'm going to go to the extensions menu and just search for Prover Studio. Here I found it easily and I can install it. And now it's installed. So I can open a folder. Here I'm going to open this folder. I have a few HLL files, and now I'm going to show you the Prover Studio features about HLL. So if I open this file, I have syntax coloring, and I can have some useful information here. If I put my mouse on any item, I can see the declaration of any variable. And that's what's displayed when you hover on a variable, but you can also click go to declaration and also go to definition. And it will redirect you to the declaration or the definition. Now, if there is a syntax error in the file, it will be shown in the editor. For example, if I put an OR operator without anything afterwards, it's underlined here as a syntax error. And if I type something, now it's syntactically correct, so there is no more error. Okay, so now this project is a multi-file project, and by default, Prover Studio will only treat a single file, but I can change that. For this, I will open the command palette. There is a keyboard shortcut for this, and I will choose this command, change Prover Studio project file. Here I have the list of all HLL files in my folder, and I can select the one I want to include in my project. Here I'm going to select all of them, and this will create the project. And now you see that if I check the variable x, its declaration will be found, even if this declaration is in another file. And I can choose go to declaration here, and it will open the file where the declaration is located. And this works in any file. So if I use test3 here, another file which contains a proof obligation, the declaration of a variable will be found as well. That's it for the HLL features I will demo in this video. And I'm just going to show one last thing. It's that Prover Studio can also be used for other languages distributed by Prover, like LCF. I can open an LCF file here, and there is no more configuration needed. And a PySpec file. And all of this is included in Prover Studio. Thank you.